Please don't write code like this. The first mistake I see time and time again has to do with conditions and if statements. So I've given you a simple example here. You can see that we're checking if the user is authenticated, if they're an admin or a manager, or they're an editor and they have the permission edit, if their account status is active, if they have a last login, if their age is between 18 and 35, if their IP address is not in this range. There's a significantly better way to write it. So let's go over to the fixed version and now look at this. Longer code that's easier to understand is always better than shorter, more complex code. So if we go to the top here, you can see that what we've done is we've just associated each condition with a variable. Now, some of them are a bit redundant, like is authenticated, for example. We probably don't need a variable for that. But for the other ones, what this does is just make it a lot clearer on what we're actually checking. So we're checking, are they active? Have they had a valid last login? Are they of valid age? Is there a valid IP address? And what this is doing is two things. It's kind of automatically commenting the code for us because we're writing it like we would write normal English, and we're simplifying some of the longer conditions into one variable. So then we go down here and you can see that we have all of these ands, we've combined them together, and now we can return true. So if I want to see what we're checking in the if statement, I can read this just like English. Are they authenticated? Do they have a proper role? Are they active? Do they have a last login, etc.? Now, this is a little bit overkill how I've shown you here. I'm just trying to demonstrate the point. A lot of times you'll have multiple different conditions, and rather than checking them all in the if statement, you can make variables to simplify the condition and then combine those variables together to be able to read your code like English, which is really what we're going for.